In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a new learner profile on the QTrobot dashboard. First, let's navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find access to the learner's repository. Alternatively, you can access this by clicking on the dashboard icon and selecting the Learners tab. Once you're in the Learners section, you'll see an option to Add New Learner at the top of the screen. Click this button to start entering the new learner's details. A form will appear where you'll need to fill in the learner's first and last name. These are the only mandatory fields required to create a new profile. However, filling out the additional fields is beneficial as this information will be included in the learner's exportable progress report, making it more comprehensive and formal. After entering all the necessary information, simply click the Save New Learner button to complete the process. Your new learner is now added. You can view the learner's details anytime by clicking on the info icon next to their name. If needed, you can also edit these details at any time. And that's it. You've successfully created a new learner profile on the QTrobot dashboard.